Hello, Factory Showtime. I'm Michelle and follow me. This line is for Stream Dock appearance check, assemble, firmware flashing and initial test. And then turn to more detailed inspection on outlook, software, hardware, reaction speed, connection tightness and stability. Product consistency on all aspects to ensure the device you get is the perfect one. We take it so serious. And here is for secondary screen assemble, it's the same. Together with shock absorbing and scratch resistant foam cover on workbench, very gentle and careful. In packing room, label laser machine and anti-slip mat machine auto line running all the time. Okay, now thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button for me and any thoughts leave in the comment below.